today we have 2 fresh, ripe bananas. We're gonna mash the bananas in the bowl, gently. And after we mash up the bananas, we're gonna add some olive oil, just about 40 milliliters. And now we add 1 egg. A whip up with the egg, add it to the mix, and then we add some organic honey, straight from the bear. Notice how it's still kind of chunky. We don't want to over whip the mix. Scaling up pancake mix. Oh yeah, don't forget to set the oven to about 370, usually at the beginning. And we're gonna add the pancake mix to the mashup and blend them. Blend it good. Now we're going to prepare our baking dish. But before we do that, we're going to add some nuts. Notice how we're going to just lightly chop them versus overly mincing them. Again, texture is all about this banana bread. Final mix, and time to prepare the baking dish with the parchment paper. Now that the dish is ready, we're going to add the mix to the dish and spread it evenly. And for the final touch, for today's bread, we're going to add some fresh sliced banana as the topping. We find that the banana also helps seal in some additional moisture to the internal bread itself. Looking good. And we're ready to go. We're gonna pop it in the oven for about 45 minutes. Okay. And the bread is finished. Looking so good. Look at the nice golden brown and the beautiful golden color of the bananas as well. We're gonna let this banana bread cool down, and then we'll be back to give it a few slices and try it out. 1 slice, 2 slice, and the rest is for me.